Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Sue and today we're doing a gentle yoga flow class that involves lots of heart opening, back bends, shoulder stretches. I hope you enjoy it. Welcome everyone. We begin seated. Just hands on your knees, on your thighs. We'll allow the shoulders to relax. Close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths in through the nose. Out through the nose. Feel your shoulders relax as you exhale. Inhale in through the nose. Soften your face with this exhale. One more inhale. Exhale to relax your belly. Gently open your eyes and welcome. So just hands on your knees or on your shins, one shin in front of the other. You can always switch it around whenever you need to. We'll start to inhale to lean slightly forward. And as you exhale, draw back. Inhale forward, exaggerate the movement. As you draw forward, chest forward, lift your chin up. And as you draw back, round the spine, tuck your chin in a little. You can close your eyes here and just follow your breath. Inhale forward and exhale back. Take it into a circular movement. Upper body rotates over to one side. Take it back and around. You start off small. As you start to warm up, exaggerate the movement. Make it a little bigger. Switch directions. Good. As I mentioned previously, anytime you need to switch those legs around, go for it. And let's place one hand on the ground, right hand on the ground. Take your left hand, reach it up and over. Then with your next inhale, come on back up. And exhale over. Inhale, center. Exhale, inhale, and to the left side. And this time we're taking the left hand, reaching it up and over to the right side, but holding it here for about 2 or 3 breaths. Feel that left shoulder open up. Maybe rotate your chest slightly towards the ceiling, turning your gaze up. The next inhale, come on back up and do the same thing on the other side. Again, a slight rotation, opening the chest, opening the heart up towards the ceiling. Inhale, come on back up to seated. And turn your gaze over to the right side. Take your left hand to the outside of the opposite leg. Back hand lightly supporting you. And just turn your gaze towards the back wall. Inhale, come on back to the center and do the same thing on the other side. Sit a little taller and then rotate. Inhale, come on back to the center. Bring your arms, palms up. Stretch your arms out. Take a big inhale. And then exhale. Next inhale, allow your palms to rotate down towards the ground. And then exhale to open. Inhale. And then exhale. Exaggerate the movement a little bit more. Bend your elbows, palms down. And then as you exhale, press the palms back. As you reach your arms back, feel the shoulder, front of the shoulder open up. Okay. Inhale. Start to stretch your arms out in front of you. Exhale, open it out. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. And exhale. Reach your arms out in front of you. Interlace the fingers. Press the palms up. And reach the hands up and overhead. Draw the belly in. Turn your gaze up towards the ceiling. And lean over, slightly over to the left side. Turn your gaze up towards the ceiling. Peek under that right arm. And inhale, come on back up to the center. Do the same thing on the other side. Perfect. Inhale, coming back to the middle. Release those hands. And switch those legs around if you haven't already done so. Let's take an inhale. Let the palms reach out upwards. Inhale, reach your arms up and overhead. And exhale, dive down into the middle. Bring the back of the hands together all the way down. Okay. Inhale, stretch your arms out and over. Dive right down. Inhale. And exhale. 2 more times. Last one. Reach your hands out in front of you, back of the hands together, and then rotate it back towards the front. Upwards, palms facing out. And stretch your arms out in front of you. And then back in. Good. About 3 more times like this. Back of the hands touching at all times. Last 2 with the breath. Here we go, last one. All right. Release your hands, bring it out into a cactus position, a goalpost arms. Wrap the left elbow under the right. If you can, eagle arms if this is hard. Back of the hands together or grab opposite shoulders. Relax the shoulders. Turn your gaze up. Reach the hands up towards the ceiling. Relax the shoulders again. Breathe. One more. Okay, let's soften that. Reach the arms out and overhead. Big stretch all the way overhead. And then bring your arms into cactus position. Bring the left elbow, right elbow under the left this time. And make sure it's the other way around. Okay, relax the shoulders. Lift your elbows up a little. Draw your belly in. Turn your gaze up and then soften your shoulders again. Breathe. And then release. Stretch your arms out and over. Bring your right hand down. Reach towards the left side. Turn your gaze under that left shoulder. And this time sweep the arms out in front of you. Draw a semicircle. Come all the way back up. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Right arm reaches up and over. And we'll sweep the arms out in front of you. And coming all the way back up to seated. Take your left hand. Reach it up and over. Press down into the ground with the right hand. And come into a neck stretch. And maybe you can keep your right hand on the ground. This is just optional with the left hand towards the opposite ear. But you're trying to bring the right shoulder closer down towards the right ear. So your choice. Play around with the angle of your chin as well. Maybe turn it down a little. Turn it up to see what works best for you. Relax this right shoulder. One more deep breath. And soften, relax that. Give the shoulders a little bit of a roll out. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. Take the left hand on the ground. Take the right arm up and over. Big stretch, keeping that right hip down on the ground. And we'll come into that neck stretch. Keep the left hand on the ground. Let that right ear drop towards the right shoulder. Play around with the angle of the chin. And then we'll relax that. Turn your gaze over to one shoulder. Rotate the chin down towards the chest to the other shoulder. And just on your own here, a few more of these. Back to the center, and if you haven't already, switch those legs around, go for it. Okay, next we're resting our hands on our thighs, on our knees, and creating some tension in the shoulders, and then we'll relax it. So take about a big inhale, squeeze your shoulders up towards the ears, create some tension in that area. You can even bring it up to your face, and then exhale, let the shoulders drop, soften everything. Let's do that again. Inhale, squeeze it in. Exhale. Once more. And exhale. Good. And then you just roll your shoulders out just in one direction, rolling it about 3 to 5 times one way. And we're going to switch the other way around. Perfect. Now next we're going to take our arms and reach it up and over. Okay. Reach it up and overhead. And then interlace the fingers behind you. Press the hands slightly away from the body. Turn your gaze up towards the ceiling. Good. A little bit more if you can. And then soften, release your hands out in front of you. If it's okay for you to round forward, bow forward, allow the chin to tuck in slightly. Stay here for about 3 to 5 breaths. Next, inhale, walk your hands back in. Take your right arm and bring it across the low back so that the palm is facing outwards. Turn your gaze towards the left knee and allow your chin to dip. You should feel a stretch to the shoulders. If you don't, maybe you'll have to let that right shoulder drop a little bit more and rotate your gaze even more. Chin tucks in. You're still seated tall here. One more deep breath. And we'll relax that. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Right arm across the low back. Turn your gaze towards the right knee. Left arm across the low back, palm facing out. Rotate that left shoulder back. Turn your gaze towards that right knee and let that right chin drop. Let the chin drop towards the right side. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so again, you're trying to feel that stretch to that left shoulder. Let's take a few deep breaths here. Last one. Okay, let's soften that. Return back to the center. Stretch your legs out in front of you. Okay, so straight legs, feet together. Walk your hands behind you with the fingertips pointed back. Okay. If this is hard on your wrist, you can have the fingertips point out a little, but if you can, point it back. Your elbows should be somewhat pointing towards the back wall or towards the ceiling. Allow your walk back as far as you can until you start to feel the stretch to the front of the chest, especially the upper chest into the shoulder, to those pectoral muscles. And then to turn it on a little bit more. Project your chest, puff your chest up towards the ceiling, point the toes, and let your head drop back slightly with control. Don't let it drop all the way back. You want to keep that nice long neck as you do this pose. If you can, try to stay here for 3 more breaths. 2 more. Here we go, last one. And then we'll soften that. Walk your hands in. Wrap your hands around your thighs with your knees bent, feet on the ground. Allow your chin to tuck in slightly. Relax your neck as best as you can. Soften those shoulders. Last one. Come on, back up and grab that seat. Easy pose, one shin in front of the other. We'll take the left arm, reach it up and overhead. With your right hand, hold on to your left elbow. Try to bring the left bicep as close as you can towards the left ear. Okay, and then let the shoulders relax here, soften. Okay, stay as you are. If you're feeling that tricep stretch into the shoulder, stay as you are. If you could use a little bit more, lean away towards the right side. And you should get a beautiful side stretch here as well. One more deep breath. Soften that. Other side. Grab a hold of that right elbow. Again, stay as you are or lean away to the opposite side. And then relax that. Walk your hands back, fingertips touching the ground. One more time, we're going to project the chest up towards the ceiling. This time, see if you can bring it a little into your neck. If it doesn't crunch into the back of your neck, see if you can lift your chin up a little. Feel the stretch the throat. Careful. One more. Okay, and then we'll release that and soften. I hope you enjoyed that. That was just a short little routine that hopefully helped to alleviate any tension around the neck and shoulder area, upper chest, and maybe a little into the spine. Thank you very much for joining me today. Namaste.